Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin. Hope you're all doing very well as always. Hope you have been able to trade this chart like I don't know, like just crush the chart really. But yeah, so we're going to update everything here. We're going to update the levels, the waves, everything really. You're going to be aware of everything, how I am going to trade the chart really. So yeah, just my plan, so you can just crush the chart. You can also crush the chart. And no, I'm not alone to crush it really. But anyway, yesterday we got this very nice short trade here. Again, if you didn't join the Discord server yet, really go and join the Discord server. You have all the informations in addition to the daily update, like the follow. I mean, how can I say that? The following updates, you know, the updates following the daily update live stream really are just posted here on the Discord server. You have everything in here. For example, yesterday, you know, we've got that short trade here that could be taken, but I did not do that short. I don't know where it was. Where was this? Yeah, here for example, you know, I was looking for the possible stuff right here. We've got some big bearish divergence and stuff like that. Like really, the order flow was really bearish, but for me, we still got the confirmation to short that. And normally, if you're starting to read the order flow, you will have normally this will be enough for you to take a short. And so they said, I am not taking a short on this. This is not a short for me here, and we'll wait for higher prices to come, even if we've got this massive bearish divergence here. So yeah, really hope this kind of updates really help you. And so yes, we've got this very nice break to the upside here, and this very nice bam come back down. So we got a trap here, if we can say that. For me, that was not a short. We got to continue, and in any case, I was not on the computer at that time, so I was not able to trade that. But we've got another rise, so that's perfect for me. I feel a short here and bam, bring it back down. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, so yeah, that's very nice. We're going to see what we can expect next year, of course. Before to start with everything, I just want to post this as always. So bam, perfect. Everyone know we're live. Don't forget there is a giveaway running on the website still. There are just 5 days remaining right now. So just go and take your chance. If you didn't yet, you can win 1 hour with me, clearly. So if you want to learn the order flow, such as for example how to avoid taking this kind of loss where you will place your stop loss above the high and bam, you will be completely wrecked, because yeah, simply you will just short here the absorption, but it was just a trap. So how to recognize this kind of fake trades, you can say that. And so you can wait for higher. If you want to spend an hour, and again, it's you can learn exo charts or real wave. It really depends on what you want. If you want to learn your wave, you can absolutely learn your wave too. Okay, it's just that these days, waves is it's not the best, to be honest with you, to use. We're still going to cover the wave, but yeah, it's not the best of the best. But anyway, so if you want to spend 1 hour with me, or even go to get an MC sweatshirt, or 1 exo charts month for free. Exo charts again is this. This is what I'm using every single day to update my levels and to know if I have or not to take a trade. It's this, okay, know the flow really. If you want to get 1 free month, you have to go and take your chance in the giveaway. The giveaway is absolutely free. It's just a thank you for the 500 subscribers, and even now the 1000 subscribers. It went just so fast. But anyway, so yeah, let's go and update Bitcoin here. So first of all, let's go on the chart where we have the levels. Okay, let's go on a daily time frame here. I'm gonna remove that. We do have 1 new daily here, as you can see. Bam, 1 new daily. So let's pull this in levels. Perfect. So we have 1 new daily just below. And by the way, if you have any questions during the live stream, do not hesitate. This is very important. Sorry, you understand everything. Okay. So 1 daily here. Bam, exo chance here. So the naked session path control above, I didn't add that naked session path control simply because we have the daily, and I don't want to add all the levels, everything. Like, I mean, if we have a daily, we don't care to add a naked session path control exactly on the level. I mean, it's like $1 above. I mean, who cares really to add this? Personally, I don't need to add the confluence. If you need it, just add it, but personally, I don't need to, so I'm not going to do it. Now we have 1 new naked session path control here, as you can see below. If you want to get these templates, by the way, it's you just have to go and check out the website. You have everything in there. Bam, so you do have here the naked session path control. I didn't check the price of this. 27,410. So 27,410. Bam. Okay, so this one can be removed. You can see here we have this exactly on the daily. TPO, we already got the touch of that TPO, so we don't need that anymore. I'm not going to trade that. And here I don't care, so this is way too high for a long for me. Okay, I'm not, because here we do have a TPO. Okay, if you check out this, we do have, as you can see, 27,546. So this, for example, is a TPO here, 27,546 right here. You can see how we touch that to the dollar and get a bounce. Okay, we have yeah, we don't have the little move at all yet, but we still get a bounce, a bit of a bounce on this. But personally, I am not interested into that level. Why? Simply because it's way too long for a long here. For a long, I would like to look for this zone right here minimum. Okay, if we stay above here, it will be pure scalping, but like really scalping. You just take a trade, close fully after a $50 move, or wait for a $100 move to take out 50%, or even close fully on all the trades. Really depends how do you want to trade out. But personally, I'm not interested into longs here. Simply, I'm just going to remain long from a low. Right? I'm not going to try to bet on a long here. I mean, there is no reason for me to take a long up here. Even if we do this, I absolutely don't care. You know, I'm just going to remain long from lower. It's absolutely fine to miss that. I mean, I really don't care because it's not missed because I'm already long from low. So yeah, for me it's too high. I'm not interested into a long. A short, it's the same. To be fair, is it time to short here? I would say we do have. I mean, we have a lot more chance here to go more down than to go higher. But these days we like to do some less probable moves. So just to explain you why we have more chance to go more down, simply because here if you check and pay attention to what we have here, the Americas on the right, okay, you have the daily open days here, okay, and you have the previous day value high that is below, and the previous day value low that is even lower here. When you have the daily open day is outside of the previous day value high and the previous day value low, okay, and you have two consecutive 30-minute candle close into the previous day value high, in that case you have 80% chance to go down to the previous day value low, okay. So here we have 80% chance to go to 27,300, so to speak, around the lows here to take out these lows. We have 80% chance to go and take out these lows. So that's why am I also looking for a long here on the TPO. We have 20% chance to rise. Am I trading the lowest probabilities? Absolutely not. So here, is it time to short? We are into a support. I'm not shorting the support. Is it time to long? No, because we have 80% chance to drop. Okay, but the thing is, I am already short from higher simply because this was planned on the Discord server. Okay, so that's why I joined Discord server if you don't want to miss any trade. But yeah, this was the plan. So that's why if you're short on that top here, by the way, yeah, exactly on that weak top here, around there, if you my short, and to probably already set my stop loss on trade, everything. So now everything is safe. That's pretty cool. But yeah, so that's why I think you understand like why I'm not taking a short now, or why I'm not taking a long now, because we have 80% chance to go more down, but at the same time we're into a support, so I'm not shorting the support. Now be aware of that, we have 80% chance to go back down here to the value low here, I mean the daily down to the value low, okay, with the low right here, 80% chance to go there minimum. So that we can absolutely get this. Okay, that's why, by the way, the thumbnail of this daily update is red and not green anymore. But anyway, so yeah, now you can, if you want, possibly bet on a flip to resistance of this value or high, for example. It's really up to you, but personally I'm not interested into any trade here. I'm not interested into any trade because I'm already short from high, I'm already long from low, so we're in between. I don't care about this, okay? I don't care about that place now. Yeah, the thing is, it's not good also to open a trade because you want to trade. You have to wait for the trade to come to you. If the trade's not here, don't take the trade, and who cares really? I mean, if we do this and you miss the short, then that's not a problem. For example, we're going to come into a possible long target. Okay, we'll have planned. That's not the right chart. It's right here. I don't have this here. Where is this? Where is this? I have to find that. So simply what we have planned in the last update. But I need to find a screenshot of this. It should be. No, I don't see anything with the sun right now. So double screenshot. Yeah, here we go. So this, okay. I'm just going to open that here and open that here so you can really see. Okay, so we have this nice trend line here. I'm looking if I have to go more down for the possible bounce, flip to support and get another rise. So another rise to make a retracement here to go more down next, but still for a day trade it gives some very, very good retracement. And if we get nothing of this, okay, again, what we'll have to do into this long target, into this trend line right here. Again, I'm not looking for this trend line for a big breakout. I'm looking for this for a short. As you can see, went exactly into my first target, and we're going to draw from here. So I did short it down. I did not fit any long on this. But anyway, so this will be the possible long trade in case we have to go more down. Okay, in case we have to go more down and do not hold this as support and getting no good data for a long, then I'm going to look for a possible flip to resistance. Now, to be fair, I'm already short from higher, so am I going to short here? No, it's really in case you want to do it, you can do it. But personally, I'm just going to look for the continuation, just enjoy my short from higher. That's it really. Okay, but these are the two possible configurations. If we have to go more down, first we have this possible long. If we hit down and we hold this as support, and we get the good data on the order flow for a long. Okay, if now we get nothing good for a long on the order flow, we start getting acceptance more down and do a flip to resistance. We'll just go through really. Then this is just a continuation. We're going to look for lower levels planned. Okay, there is a plan really if we have to go more down from here. Let me just pull back here that chart. Perfect. So if we have to go more down, as said, first we have this. So of course we have, you know, the low right here. We can look for a possible long from the swing flip and everything. But really for a day trade in even more that can be turned into a swing. Okay, I will be more looking for this bigger support really, not, you know, some intraday support. We don't really care about this. This is more for scalpers. So more for this. Okay, so this again, as I said and show you just before, it can be a possible long to write a new high, or just, you know, to make a retracement like that and then bam, come back down again. But again, this for a day trader is absolutely crazy. Okay, really crazy. So a retracement, and if we just do this, okay, we just do bam, 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 where is the stuff here? If we just do this, then there is just no any way to trade down to long here, and we just in that case look possibly for a short. Personally, I'm not going to look for a short here because I'm already short from lower. Okay, so from higher, sorry, not from lower. And so yeah, for me there's just no reason to short down. But if you do want to short down, you can absolutely. Okay, depends on the direction we're going to get here, but okay, it's not broken. Cool. So yeah, the possible long or possible short, and if we start breaking this, okay, we're simply going to look for the next target, so to speak. Here we're coming around this weekly negative power control here plus a weekly, so around 26,300. Break this, we can look for the triple lows here. We do have a lot of stop loss here, so this is a very good liquidity zone where you can just take the stop loss, get a reclaim directly. So this is a zone where we have really to read the order flow. If there is nothing in here, we're simply going to look for this monthly negative power control and the weekly level. Break this, in that case we'll have no real reason to go higher next. I mean, of course we can do a complex level approach where you have everything on the website, but for example we can go below, bam, flip to resistance, fake the drop, reclaim, bam, and bam, push higher. That is something absolutely possible. If you want to learn more about this level approach, you have everything on the website in the Excel chart section, by the way. But this, for example, is a level approach where you just trap everyone really, because you go below the support. Oops. You go below the support, you flip it into resistance, you trap everyone here because you make a new low, so everyone turns bearish, and from here you just reclaim everything, flip to support, and bam, push higher. Okay, so this is very tricky sometimes, but you recognize down the, because you have absorption on the lows, you have some good data and everything for it long. Okay, the thing is now, if we get acceptance below that wick, okay, as explained in the last daily updates also, if we go below that wick here, we do have a single print below here. So if we get acceptance below here, I'm just going to pull back the level, by the way. If we get acceptance below here, okay, we expect the single print to be filled, and so to go bam, straight back down to the bottom here, right there. Okay, and from here we do have some lower time frame support. But I mean, is it better and is it more probable to take out the lows than to bounce from here and get a rise? It's more probable to go take out the lows. Okay. So yeah, from here, if we take the lows, swing through pound fail auction. If there are no swing through pound fail auction, we simply look for low here. So swing through pound fail auction of that one. Okay, if we really get nothing here, no swing through pound fail auction, we're more likely going to look here for a new low to be made. And so here, swing through pound fail auction. And so yeah, we have this big support, monthly negative power control, weekly here. Okay, now to the upside, we do have, so first of all, bam, I mean, we do have some lower time frame resistance here. I'm gonna go on the lower time frame chart next, but if we have to make a new high, okay, so we have these three targets above us. First, so we have this one still where we can just take the highs and retrace. We break a high, we have to look for a swing pound or fail auction. If there is nothing here, we simply look bam for the next target. So weekly with the 123 extension. If we break this with nothing good for a short, we more likely look here for this bam big target above, months negative power control up to the Valera low, by the way, with this top. We have 4 tops here that are not taken yet, so we have a lot of stop loss here, and so we can just do a very quick wick here and bam, come back down really quick to just take all the stop loss, and bam, next we can even do this, for example, like take all the stop loss, okay, come back down, and from here, bam, go back down here, and we just took in short, I mean, direct all the shorts, we took all the stop loss, I mean, most of them, because there are of course some above, but a lot of stop loss here, and from here, bam, go back down, and so yeah, just yeah, wrecked a lot of shorts here. But anyway, these are the 3 targets here above. It's not really useful for me, in my opinion, to go really high for the moment or really too low for the moment. So we're going to stay with this. Okay, in my opinion, this is good enough. And now, yeah, on the lower time frame, if we start pushing higher, of course, and we have to look for a short before this first target. Really, this is more for day traders, because if you're following the updates, we already planned this before it happened. This first target here, it was already here on that top, and as I said on that top, this was not bearish. Okay, say to everyone on the Discord server. So if you want to get live updates, I mean updates live in the time for everyone, it's absolutely free. Really, do not hesitate to join, because yeah, for example here, as I said, this top right here for me is not bearish. Data can change, but for me, I'm not shorting this simply because for now it's not bearish. So we did took the highs once more, so I avoided a loss. From here I just said, hey, we have longs right, opening right when we are taking the highs into a short target, and from here we're taking the high, I mean in addition to this, we're taking the high right on the news time, and in here in this top we have 8 million of new long coming in on the market. I mean, why the fuck would you long here? It just doesn't make sense, right? Because as always, trading is taking the others' money. So if you have a lot of people longing, you just short to take the others' money. Again, it's not all the time like this. For example, yesterday you got a very good example where we've got like millions. Again, you can see here we have like now we have like 8 million here of new loans coming in, another 2 million here, another 1 million here. You've got some millions also here, 5 million, 1 million, but this is not time to short. Why? Because you need to get some more data to take the short trade. Okay, it's just, you know, it's not like you see millions of longs opening that you're going to take a short. No, you have to get some other data. You have everything in the Exo chart course, but yeah, you need to get some other data. That's why yesterday, for example, we got some massive bearish divergence, but I did not short it down because yeah, we didn't know any confirmation that was about to drop. And so yeah, we did took the highs at the end. That's pretty cool. But yeah, so yeah, in between, I mean before that first target here above, we have to look of course on a lower time frame for few targets there. So let me just remove that, don't care anymore. We do have to look for the low here and the value high, don't care. I'm not looking for any trade here. So if we push high here on the lower time frame, okay, we do have to look for the daily up to the path control. If there is nothing here, I will be aware of this top, this lower time frame top here with this fib target. I'll let you add this fib on your chart, okay, and just take these values. This is a strategy I'm testing right now, so I'm not going to talk more about this. But if you want to add this fib on your chart, sorry, just do it really. But we do have a double top here, so we do have some stop loss, a bit of stop loss above. So this is a liquidity zone, and we do have this nice target. I can give some a nice short trade here. Again, I'm training this as a scalp first of all, and then I'm turning this to a swing if this have to be turned into a swing. But yeah, stop loss $80 above. If you want to place a limit on this, if you want to market order this, you market order this, and if you market order this, you place a stop loss just above the high we've made, and yeah, you take rate 50% after the right of the move. Okay, but if there is nothing here, we look for the daily negative path control. If we start breaking here, is a daily negative path control. Bam, new high will be made more likely, and so we look for a new high. Okay, so yeah, that's it really. That's it. There is nothing more to add on this. Maybe with the wave really quick. Don't forget that we can, it's the wrong chart again. Don't forget that we can still make a new high, because again, it's more probable if we are in this ABC flat. Okay, I'm not going to repeat myself again on the plan, the WXY and the Anna. You know, the plan already made an update for the bullish, bearish, kind of everything. So yeah, here's the plan. If we're in the ABC flat, we can still make one more push up. Why? Because we'll have more chance to go normally to the 123, 127 right here than to start the 113, because that one is the stock market retracement. Now it can absolutely play out. I'm short from here. I took my short. I took profit, of course. Now if I'm just getting stopped out, I don't care. You took profit, refunded my fees, made profit. It's not a problem. But now, be aware of that we can still make one more push to the upside to go into this target. It's absolutely something possible, because we do have more chance to go there. Okay, really important to understand that. Do not forget this. So if we do one more push to the upside, let me see here something really quick, because I'm thinking about a possible leading here with a small way of an ending, like just by seeing the wave right now. I don't know why I'm thinking about this now, but like, you know, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a wave 5 here. If we get acceptance with the wave here, in that case, this will be an ABC zigzag down, but for me, this is an ABC zigzag already. These are not 5 waves. I do prefer here the count with the ABC zigzag. I am aware of that this can be 5 waves, okay, absolutely, but I do prefer the ABC zigzag. So that's why here I will look more in that case for an ABC zigzag here, for example, into the W, X, and Y, you know, we have plan here to the upside. But if we drop directly here, that will be in that case an ABC zigzag, more likely. Let me see here something really quick, because if you pull this extension tool, Yeah, no, really, this will not be a double XY extend Z here to the upside. Okay, so I would say, yeah, we do have more likely this kind of wave here. So A, B, C already done. We have this ending. And otherwise, this is really an ABC zigzag here. If I placed the ABC zigzag, it was because this will be in that case 5 ways, not an ABC zigzag, of course. When I place it now, A, B, C, this wave inside is a wave here will be 5 ways, not an ABC zigzag. It's not possible otherwise. But otherwise, I will look for this. If we stick with with a plan, with a wave of plan, first of all, ABC zigzag here, that was the next retracement, and so we look here for this Y leg, just a bit above here. Okay, beware again of the other configuration where we can break this is possible with a Y, but in that case here we'll be looking for an ABC zigzag in there. Okay, so let's pull some wave like that. So A, 5 waves, leading with a small wave and ending, B wave, and let's see, so we can make again a bigger B wave, for example here, going to a long target, right here, okay, going to a long target, from here get bounce for the C, right here, and go into a short target next. Okay, that can be something here. Now we can also now get the retracement, depending if we retrace or not, depending on this, but it will be cool to get the B wave here. A, B, C, and if we get nothing in here, then you know that we're going to drop and go look for the lows again, so we are less likely in this. We can go for the lows, you know, go for the next support here, but again, it's really low for a B wave, like really low for a B wave. If you pull that retracement here, flat, yeah, we go into the 90%. So if we do just a weak inside here, it's fine, but if we start getting some countercalls into the 90%, leave the ABC zigzag anymore, it's not valid, and we look for the Y leg to be done already. And so then the first count was right, and so this was a double XY. No, sorry, this was an ABC zigzag. Yeah, this was an ABC zigzag, yeah. Yeah, this was an ABC zigzag. Okay, so not this anymore, in that case it was this. Red, A, B, and C. And so the B wave was done here. And by the way, if we drop from here, very interesting question. What are the targets? Hey, what are the targets of this? Where we can go with this? Because we need to be ready for that. Let me just remove some few fibs here. Again, this is a flat, so we cannot remove the MC extension. Okay, this MC extension here cannot be removed because a flat can be a running flat, can be an extended flat, a running flat when we stop on the MC extension or the 120 extension. It's absolutely possible and valid for a flat to stop here. It's not like, for example, a WXY where you're going to make this kind of WX, and of course here it's less probable to do a truncated Y leg. Sorry, it's more probable to do this than to stop before, and so to make a truncated Y leg. An ABC flat is not at all the same. You can absolutely you have also some really high probability to stop here or to stop here than to stop here. Okay, it's the same depending if you do an extended or running flat. Running flat is when you do the MC extension or 120 extension. Extended flat when you do a 124 and 618. Okay, but as you can see here, we can go maximum if we're in this flat at 23,000. Yeah, 23,300. So yeah, and again we can stop on the that's why, for example, we have that's why we have to plan this also this kind of long, you know, we can go below here and bounce, you know, from the big weekly negative power control and stuff like that, so to speak here. Okay, weekly negative power control weekly here. You can see we have the MC extension right into this, so that's why if we do a running flat, for example, again it's less probable because the Z wave will be truncated, so normally we should go more down here, but yeah, we can do some less probable stuff. We have to be aware of that. But yeah, so the targets are this MC extension 1-to-1, 123 must, I mean, first more likely target I would say, because otherwise the other one will bring us with a truncated Z, and then we'll have the 161 here, really more down. So it'll be insane to make this this pattern here. Not gonna lie, that will be really nice. But yeah, we're short from here. Now we just have to short and chill until we get stopped out on entry, really, until we get a very big sign of strength. But anyway, that's it really for me for today. Already 26 minutes. Oh my god, it's so fast. Anyway, so I'm done really for today. Not gonna spend more time on this. I'm going to do an update this afternoon, possibly on CKB. Okay, if you have any request on the ants, by the way, we have a question. Two small CME gaps at 20. Yeah. I already posted on Discord server, by the way. Where it is here. You see, I posted that here. you have to do 2 gaps below. You got 1 gap, by the way. I didn't pay attention to that one, and that was very good for the short yesterday. But yeah, you have 2 gaps below. Yeah, that's right. And this, for example, the second one here come with the weekly and weekly negative path control below us, and this one will match with a possible flip to support, you know, of the trend line. So that's pretty cool. We do have some 2 gaps here. 2 gaps here to be aware of. That's nice. Yeah, so this afternoon possible CKB update. If you want to get, for example, I mean, if you want to watch here, you have the higher time frame bearish count, higher time frame bullish count. You have the an XRP update, really, where you can see my account on XRP, the different wave I have, really, what I'm planning really on this on XRP, really, on a higher time frame. That, for example, you know, the big rise we've gone in XRP, I was not even surprised to see the rise because there was something possible. You know, it was a double X, Y, and Z to the upside. But yeah, if you want to get more details, just go and check this out. And today I'm possibly going to record a CKB update. That one is very hard to find some targets. Not gonna lie, I already have done this on my site for myself. But it's very, very complex, to be fair, to find some targets. So I'm gonna try to find everything again. And yeah, if I get something good, I'm gonna do it. And I'm also trying to find a possible planning for YouTube where you can get some live trading and stuff like that. So if you want to get some live trading, just let me know, really. In my opinion, it can be very, very, very interesting. I'm trying to find a planning where, for example, I will make a daily update, then I will upload a video, and then I will make a, for example, at 2:30 at the New York at the New York session, for example, I'm going live for some trading, for some live trading. But the thing is, it's not really legal to do some live trading, or otherwise you have to do it with paper trade. But I'm not sure that YouTube allow even paper trade, so that's a bit of a problem. That's why I'm trying to find out the answer on this. But if you have the answer, by the way, if you have some more information about this, really do not hesitate to let me know. But yeah, I don't know if some live trading can be good, really. Let me know if that will be good. But yeah, this is, for example, I mean, I'm not taking like all the trades on the paper trade account. But for example, yeah, these are some few trades I've taken. You know, I post everything on the Discord server. I mean, yeah, it was. I mean, just I think I can do this here. Paper trade connect. Normally, yeah, you can see here. You know, for example, I took the other short, yeah, on my account, but not on this one, because I mean, I prefer to make real money than paper money, right? But yeah, for example, I not took the short. So here I took the short on my account, but not on the paper trade account. But you can see here, for example, I'm taking some scalps, like, you know, short here, take profit, switch long, take profit, close along here. Then I did not trade all these, I was not on the chart. Took the long, where was this? I took the long yesterday. Took the long here on my account, took the short here on my account, but took a short here, as you can see on this paper trade account. Took profit here, clearly, closed it fully the trade. But yeah, I mean, you can see that these are some pretty cool scalps. So yeah, maybe we can get some good scalp like this. Some good sessions. Yeah, okay, I think I'm going to do this. How can you? I don't know how to do this all the time. Oh yeah, here we go. Wait, just 2 seconds, please. Alright, sorry. So yeah, let me know if you would like to get some live trading, really, if you're interested into this. And yeah, as always, don't forget to join the Discord server. You have everything happening really in here. I'm also doing some session on the Discord server where I'm live, really, and updating. For example, it was my magic chart. I was updating this. I was live in the live chat here on the very bottom. So you don't have, for example, these updates on YouTube, but you have this on the Discord server. You have some special TAs on the Discord server where, for example, yeah, in this update, I've planned 2 different targets for a long, 1 target for a short. This was a short target, by the way, planned with VIPs. So okay, so we've got these 2 targets for a long. First target, bam, we get a nice. If I just open a new tab here, we get almost a 6% push to the upside from the first target. You can see that the green square is not from the weekly negative path control, but from the 6.66%. There are some reasons for this, and it was possible, of course, before. Right here, you can see, was not even into the weekly negative path control. Was looking minimum for this right here to be hit. So we've got this hit right there, and so we've got the bounce. You can see here, bam, hit and bounce, and then we're just going to my second target, an anchor view up here, and get a 7% push to the upside. How crazy this is! Yeah, you can make so much profit with this. Really, this is absolutely insane. So yeah, really nice. Not gonna lie, you have some nice TAs on this. Solana also, I applied some nice FIP times, for example, with some nice targets. Where is this? It was here, for example. I've applied, you know, this nice FIP time here with the two targets. From the first area we've got a 2% pushback. From here we switch it to long, and we've got a nice rise into the second area. I mean, just look how strong that push up was. Really is absolutely crazy. We've got that first small bounce, then we've got a very quick push to the upside into the second area. We was long from here, so we've got a 15% push to the upside if I'm mistaken. And it is absolutely crazy. And so from here, yeah, just saying, hey, we can be in a wave 4 before to be in a wave 5 here. So we've got that wave 4, got that wave 5, and so we got the top here exactly as you can see on the fib time, and got an 8% pullback from the fib time, and everything is for free on the Discord server. Really, all of these TAs, all of these live updates, the updates like this live in a time, all of these TAs here you can get. So for what I'm looking at really with the waves right now, everything is for free on the Discord server. You don't need to do anything. You have to join, and that's it. Really, just join and enjoy. I'm doing the work for you. But yeah, anyway, that's it really for today. And yeah, as always, just to finish with, if you want to win one-to-one session with me, an MC Switcher, 1 exo chance once for free, you can go and take your chance. You have just 5 days left for this. So it's just a giveaway, absolutely free again. Just to thank you for the 500 subscribers and even now 1,000. This is absolutely crazy. If you want to go and take your chance, just go and check out the mooncharts.if website. You have everything and the infos down below in the description. And yeah, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day. Catch you all this afternoon for a possible CKB update. And let's see here if we get the 80% chance to drop, or if we get a 20% chance to rise. If we do the 20% chance, then yeah, the market is still doing some less probable moves, but it can happen as always. Okay, but in any case, I'm not looking for a long or for a short here. It was a short higher, and it will be a long lower than this. Okay, as planned. Anyway, have a brilliant day. Take care, and catch you in the next one. Cheers. Oh, by the way, I see. Always pay attention when you gave live update. Thanks, Jim. Wait, I don't see it that good. Where it is a chat here. How can I pop out this? All right, now it show good everything. Oh no, okay, it was, I thought it was yeah, where is buggy on the left here? Anyway, nice, mate. Really nice to see that there are some people following and everything. I mean, yeah, following the updates and pay attention to this really. And yeah, hope this helped really. I hope you can take advantage of this, and this give you some insight really to learn in yourself. I mean, to just learn by yourself. You know, we're not a signal group, so if you are looking for signals, I'm not going to tell you to give you signals, but for example, I'm avoiding you to take some losses. Here I was not shorting. This could be a short. If you was a beginner, I mean, if you're a beginner using the order flow, this for you, I think that this right here, this top right here, was a short to take because it was very bearish. If you just pay attention to the CVD, for example, that was very bearish, but yeah, that was not a short trade here still for me. And so we've got highs, for example, bam, avoided loss. Okay, so you can avoid some loss. And of course, I'm still giving you some predictions, not gonna lie. Okay, if I'm posting something, it's most of the time for some reasons, such as this, for example. Of course, before it happened, we've got a nice head and shoulder. We've got too many longs. Okay, we've got way too many longs on this. So to get a pump here was really weird. Like to really pump higher and pump high, and it was so weird to just do this without coming back down here. That would be really weird. But yeah, it's still something possible. You know, sometimes the longs are winning, and they're winning, and that's it really. And you have to accept that. At that time, it was not really bearish. Even that first drop was not bearish. That's why we've got a retest against here. First drop was not bearish. That's why we've got a retest and even took the highs once more. And from here we've got a nice drop too. Okay. Do you want to get the? Oh yeah, by the way, I'm stupid. I do that short. So yeah, I can't remember by the way the data on this. Let me see here. Can't remember the data. I completely forgot this data on the top. Yeah, a small absorption in here. That's crazy. I just can't remember the data I've got here on the top. Absorption. Three minutes here. Let's check the 1 minute. See, we just get some big liquidations here. You can see with this big liquidation of the open interest, we just stop all the early shorts here. I mean, if you short it here, really, you've got time to take profit. Like, really got time. But the thing is, when people, you know, beginners are trading this, they're just shorting here and looking for the lows here, and they're not taking profit. And that's why we take all the time the highs, the lows, and everything, because for you, maybe you're taking the scalps, you're taking profit, getting stopped out next entry. But the reason why we're doing this is simply because all the beginners here are shorting because the price is moving down, and here they're longing. So you can see here they are longing. We take the lows to take the stop loss. From here the people are shorting, so they play the stop loss above the high, or even no stop loss, so we go into the liquidation or into the stop loss, or both really. And from here get another drop. Yeah, I remember now. Nice. But yeah, I do have the short up here. Don't know if I have the screenshot of this right now. It's here. Here you go. Right there. 27.8. 800 here. $812 here. Got that. But it is USDT pair, so it's not the USD pair here. And so yeah, it's around what I said, $812. Yeah, so it's normally it's around this highs here. All the same. That's pretty cool. Nice entry, not gonna lie. Anyway, yeah, so this is how you can trade a chart. If you're using an order flow, as always, you can just trade this very well. Anyway, that's it from me for today. It's gonna be a very long update today. So yeah, gonna end this now, and yeah, catch you all later for the VIP. I'm too easy to say the VIP. No, there is no VIP anymore. So for the CKB update or for another update, really, I will see what I'm going to do. But yeah, catch you all today for another update, and otherwise today on the Discord server. Anyway, have a nice day. Take care, and catch you all later. Cheers.